Good morning. Here's our little pups getting really strong. Trying to work on potty training already. They're 2.5 weeks old. Gabby, they're fine. They're starting to really move along and play and wrestle, as you can see. Some of them are tackling each other. Let's see if he goes to the bathroom on the pee pad. I think he just went, actually. 1 minute ago. Oh, goodness. We got our hands full. I guess my question to all the puppy owners out there, or that have had newborn pups growing up, are Rhodesian Ridgebacks advanced as puppies? Because they are really smart. They already crawl out of the pen into the hallway. They have teeth. They walk on our floors. They sit. They just seem really smart and really advanced for their age. So, I guess that would be my question. Are other puppies just as advanced at this age, or are they pretty advanced? I think he's going to the bathroom. Good boy. Good boy, Bear. Good boy. Let's see. Yep, he just peed on the pee pad. Good boy, Bear. Good boy. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Kate. You are so cute. Good boy, Bear. Good boy. Oh, Mama's coming to check it out. He did good, Gabby. He did really good. Yeah. Hey, sweetheart. She's doing good. She's a good mama. Oh, look at him. They smell milk. Some are sleeping. They're busy. Gabby, what do you think? It's a lot of work? Is this a lot of work? Yeah? You're doing good, though. You're a good mama. That they're all so healthy and strong. All right, we'll update later.